Brock. Hi, Brock. Brock's a bit shy. He's off. So at the moment, what are we doing, Brock?
I'm not doing this.
Doing what?
Not me. No.
Brock's not a YouTuber. We're almost at 1 million subs. You're part of it, Brock.
Fucking hell.
He's the star of the show for today. We're waiting at the Hungry Jack's to get a jumbo frozen Coke, and then we're going to do bulk mods to the surf once again. So we're going to go and buy the mods, and then what are we going to do with them, Rob?
Put them on.
Yep. Yeah, so stay tuned, it'll be very exciting. Hello. Me again. Brock's still here. Relaxing in the surf. We got some stuff to put in. Get a load of those. Enough to burn your retinas out. An aerial, so I can talk to people. A bracket for the aerial. And a microphone holder. So that is what we're going to be putting in today. It's all going on here at the Deal Factory. I'm getting all this ready. And he's over there giving the old welder a go. He's cleaning up some metal and he's going to try his hand at doing some welding. So we'll see how that turns out. Hopefully he doesn't burn the place down. So far, got the spotlights on and all the wiring done and the wiring through for the UHF through the firewall. Very easy to get through the firewall on this car. There's a hole right on the top, just very big one, just to put everything through, which is very nice. The old Land Cruiser I had, the 105 series, that was a nightmare. There was just no space for anything, but it seems like they actually did some thinking with these cars and these Hiluxes and put some space in for people, so that's very good. Yeah, so there's not much left to do. Got some lunch, had some sushi, some actual sushi this time, not karagi, and that was rather enjoyable. And finishing off here, maybe do some full driving tonight and test things out and see how we go. But I'm interested to see what these super cheap spotlights are like compared to the steadies I had on the Patrol Youth and also the Super Centre 9-inch spotlights on the Land Cruiser, so interesting. I guess we'll find out soon. So I have decided that I am done for the day. I am very tired. I got the... Oh, I can't zoom, hang on. Got the spotlights on. And also the UHF aerial just up there. Tied onto the snorkel, so it's above the roof line. Come out. As Mr. Ronnie Dahl says to do. So we'll see how that goes. I reckon it's looking pretty cool. But now it's time to sit down and do not much. I can't think of much else to do on it today, so I'll probably leave it for today and see what else I can think of. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.